Welcome you all. I am Sugandhi, Department of Chemistry, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to give a lecture on natural resources in the topic food resources. After successful completion of the module, students should be able to apply the environmental concept for conservation and protection of natural resources. The student should know the importance of nutrition in food and know the necessity of food. What is food resources? Food is a basic need of all living organisms for their existence. Early men started hunting animals and used fruits and roots of plants to meet his food requirements. It is a natural resources. Its components are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. World food problems. What are the causes of world food problems? Due to the rapid growth of population, the cultivable land area gets reduced. So the world food problem arises. Second point, environmental degradation like soil erosion, waterlogging, water pollution, and salinity. Third point, urbanization, modernization, industrialization destroy the agricultural land. It leads to low food production. Last point, the food grains like rice, wheat, corn, vegetables like potato are the major food for all over the people. So the food problem rises. Malnutrition. What is malnutrition? The deficiency or excess of one or more nutrients causing disease is known as malnutrition. It is caused by undernutrition or imbalance. Example, night blindness caused by vitamin A deficiency. Rickets caused by vitamin D deficiency. Overgrazing. It is a process of eating away the forest vegetation without giving a chance to regenerate. Effects of overgrazing. First one, land degradation. Overgrazing removes the top layer soil and gets compacted. So plant roots cannot enter into deep soil and the adequate soil moisture is not available. It leads to originally poor, dry, compacted soil which is not used for further cultivation. Agriculture. Agriculture is an art, science, and industry of managing the growth of plant and animals for human use. Soil erosion. The plant roots are very good binders of the soil. When the plants are removed, the soil becomes loose and gets eroded by the action of wind and rainfall. Loss of useful species. Overgrazing also affect the composition of plant population and their regeneration capacity. So, the useful species may last. Effect of modern agriculture. First one, problem in using fertilizer. Micronutrient imbalance. What is micronutrient imbalance? When the excessive usage of fertilizer containing nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus called macronutrients are used in the field, it causes micronutrient imbalance. Blue baby syndrome. Due to excessive usage of nitrogenous fertilizer, it penetrates into the soil and contaminated with groundwater. So, the nitrate concentration level increase. It exceeds 45 mg per liter. It causes blue baby syndrome. This disease affects the infants and leads to even death. Third cause, eutrophication. A large proportion of nitrogen and potassium fertilizer used in crop field is washed off by the runoff water and reaches the water bodies, causing overnourishment of the lakes. This process is known as eutrophication. It also enhances the growth of algae and pollutes the water. Next, problem in using pesticide. First one, death of non-target organisms. Many pesticides not only kill the target species but also kill the several non-target species which are useful to us. Next, producing new pest. Some pest species usually survive even after the pesticide spray, which generates highly resistant generation. They are immune to all type of pesticide and are called superpest. Next, biomagnification. Many of the pesticides are non-biodegradable and keep on concentration in the food chain. This process is called biomagnification, which is harmful to the human beings. Last one, risk of cancer. Pesticide enhance the risk of cancer in two ways. First one, directly act as carcinogens. Second one, indirectly suppress the immune system. Third problem, problems in waterlogging. Waterlogging is the land where water stands for most of the year. Due to waterlogging provides in the soil get filled with water and soil air gets depleted. So the plant roots not get enough air for respiration. Hence it affects soil strength and crop yield fails. Next problem, problem in salinity. The water not absorbed by the soil undergo evaporation, leaving behind a thin layer of dissolved salts in the top soil. This process of accumulation of salt is called salinity of soil. Due to salinity, the soil becomes alkaline and crop yield decreases. Thanks for watching.